Creative people are often praised for their artistic vision, but they've traditionally been linked to low-paying jobs. Fortunately, times are changing as various industries are starting to recognize the value of creativity, opening more doors to creative professionals. In fact, the global market size of creative industries is expected to reach $3.43 trillion by 2032, showing there is growing demand for creative talents. Whether you're just starting out or considering a career shift, there is no better time to explore a rewarding career in the creative industry than today. Here are 5 high-paying roles in 2025 that will allow you to embrace your creative side while achieving financial stability. Graphic designer. If you have a knack for blending art with technology, a career in graphic design could be for you. You will enjoy creating the perfect visuals for advertisements, websites, presentations, and other promotional materials that resonate with the audience while communicating brand identity. You even get to collaborate with fellow creative individuals, including copywriters and videographers, to produce engaging and impactful content. And if you want to elevate your output, there are hundreds of tools and programs you can explore beyond Adobe Creative Suite. The best part? You can enjoy a competitive salary between $58,000 and $98,000 annually. A bachelor's degree in graphic design, fine art, or a related field and a strong portfolio that shows your originality and creativity will help you stand out from the competition. Digital Marketing Manager. By 2032, the digital marketing market size is projected to reach $1.1 trillion. In the US alone, the digital advertising market is expected to hit $243.2 billion by 2030, which means a promising career in the industry awaits you. As a digital manager, you'll play a vital role in driving brand success. From leading viral social media campaigns and monitoring budgets to staying updated with industry trends and boosting brand visibility. You'll also work closely with different teams to implement unique marketing strategies that deliver measurable results. Depending on experience and industry, a digital marketing manager can earn around $93,000 to $167,000 per year. Whether you work for an agency, join an in-house team, or explore freelancing, this dynamic role lets you make an impact in the digital landscape while building a rewarding career. You'll also work closely with different teams to implement unique marketing strategies that deliver measurable results. Depending on experience and industry, a digital marketing manager can earn around $93,000 to $167,000 per year. Whether you work for an agency, join an in-house team, or explore freelancing, this dynamic role lets you make an impact in the digital landscape while building a rewarding career. Copywriter. If you have a way with words and enjoy doing research, this role could be a perfect match. As a copywriter, you'll craft compelling content for different projects, whether print or digital, including ads, emails, press releases, billboards, and even TV plugs. You'll meet with clients to understand their brand's message, pitch creative copy ideas, and work with marketing and other creative teams to brainstorm and refine content. The salary of copywriters ranges from $59,000 to $99,000 per year, with senior copywriters earning up to $143,000 per year. Employers usually prefer candidates with a degree in advertising, journalism, communication, and other relevant fields. A solid portfolio that shows your ability to write diverse content also gives you a competitive advantage. UX designer. The demand for UX designers is strong. In fact, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment rate for web developers and digital designers, including UX designers, is projected to grow by 8% from 2023 to 2033, which is faster than average. So, if you're passionate about creating user-friendly experiences, whether for mobile apps or websites, this role could be for you. As a UX designer, you will conduct user research to determine their needs and preferences. You'll also develop prototypes and wireframes, perform user testing, and coordinate with UI designers and developers to satisfy user expectations and business goals. UX designers in the US could earn around $85,000 to $144,000 per year, with senior roles reaching around $169,000 annually. A degree or certificate in interaction design, graphic design, human-computer interaction, and other related subjects can help you secure the role. Video game developer. As mobile gaming evolves with new technologies like augmented reality and virtual reality, the demand for video game developers continues to grow. With AI being more involved than ever in game development, you can focus on bringing interesting characters and interactive elements to life. From ensuring smooth cross-platform gaming to introducing more inclusive games, the role of gaming developers has expanded to meet changing demands. You can enjoy a salary ranging from $79,000 to $143,000 based on your expertise and experience. Game developers should be proficient in programming languages and usually have a bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering, or a related field. Senior game developers have strong problem-solving skills, leadership experience, and advanced technical expertise. Whether you love storytelling, designing, marketing, or innovating with technology, you'll welcome 2025 with various work opportunities. You can land fulfilling roles like graphic designer, copywriter, UX designer, and game developer while enjoying competitive salaries. Here's to making a difference in the creative world.